Hello, students. This is what you're going to be working on today, on September 13th, which is a Tuesday. I am sorry that I will not be there today. I have an ethnic studies training. This is what you're going to be working on. This is a literary mandala. As you can see here, it says for Lalo or Appa chapters 14 and 15. However, I am absolutely fine if you want to expand this to any character in the novel. You have just completed a journal entry about characters and looking at the character that is most interesting to you, so that would probably be a good choice for this literary mandala. As I said, you can use any character from the novel. You are not just going to be limited to chapters 14 and 15, although those chapters may be helpful to you. Let me explain sort of the general idea of what you're going to be creating. You're going to be creating a mandala. That's what this is right here in the center. You'll see there are two sides to a mandala. There's the sun side, which is sort of their more public persona, and they also have the shadow side, which is more of their private side of the character that people do not typically see. As you can see here, they put the shadow side on top and the sun side on the bottom. Can you reverse that and put the sun side on top and the shadow side on the bottom? Absolutely. However you want to create your mandala is up to you. You may work in groups on this at your table, okay, but no other wandering around the classroom. So anyone in your table group can participate with you. You can also choose to do this individually as well. There will be blank paper passed out to you in order for you to complete your mandala, either as a group or individually. As you can see here, there's a couple of different pieces you'll need to add. You'll need to add a couple of quotations on each side. I think 3 is a pretty good number. So add 3 for the sun side and 3 for the shadow side. So you need 3 quotations from Efren Divided that show how the character is showing their public self, the sun side, and 3 quotations for how they're showing their shadow self, or the side that other characters don't typically see. Make sure you have your character's name on the mandala. Please definitely use color, because we all like to have things very colorful. As you can see, this group here, as an example, had a lot of different quotations on each side. You are more than welcome to do that as well, but your requirement is at least 3 on each side. As you can see, they also added symbols. I should see at least a couple of symbols on this chart. So to review, you'll need your character's name. You will need 3 quotations on either side. Once you have your 3 quotations, you will also need a sentence or 2 explaining why you chose those quotes. Why are they significant to this character? So as you can see, they have 3 quotes and they have 3 or 4 explanations. 3 or 4 quotes, 3 or 4 explanations here as well. I hope this really helped you understand a little bit more about what the mandala is. As you can see, you need to have the name of your character. You need to have your group names on them. If there's more than one person, that is fine. Or you can just have your name on it. 3 quotes for the sun, 3 quotes for the shadow, and a sentence or 2 for each quote explaining why you picked this quote. I look forward to seeing your mandalas.